Hey, welcome in. We are on day number 29 in the 100-day climb. And man, this has been tough. And it's the binary options. So yeah, it's not like a walk in the park. It's not all easy. We're going to look into the charts today and try to get some profit. We are actually doing pretty good in the system. And you can see into this thing here, we actually have some cash offset. We have some Coinbase money in there right now. And our total full assets now are 1818, which is a total growth of 73% over this 28 days. I was trying to get to 100% by day 30, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm not typically making that much, maybe 3-4% a day. But that's okay. We're getting close, and we're going to just keep working on this and see if we can actually make this thing work. And so it's pretty exciting. Let's get into these charts. Hey, we meet up here every day, and I show you real-life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your pocket option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, I'm in this. I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a quick pullback here. 30 seconds. You can see this is kind of it reached up past this line, but it got up to these wicks that were up here. And I'm looking for it to turn around. It's been turning around in this area every time. We got 12 seconds left on this. It could go. It depends on if it wants to break that. I don't think it does want to break that, so that looks like it's going to be a win. Yeehaw, baby. First win of the day. Just a little snipe on that side. And let's go for a compound. We'll see what happens. I don't know. This looks like it's going to break to me. But it hasn't really wanted to break that at all. So it would have been kind of impulsive to take that because it went up there, it hit that line pretty slowly, got up there pretty high, then it rejected, then it went right back up and got even higher, then it rejected again. I can't really tell what it's going to do. I'm going to let that breathe a little bit, and I'm going to go see what this chart's doing. Wow, this chart's doing the same kind of thing. It kind of went up there, hit that twice. Oh, wow, that looks like a tanker. Looks like a tanker. It seems like today is kind of moving very jumpy, but also it's obeying sort of visible levels. In other words, I can kind of see where it's obeying, and it is sort of obeying these sort of levels. This next level that it got to here 3 times. If it jumps up there and maybe goes above that level, I might put it. I'd want it to kind of shoot through there a little bit. Not maybe shoot through, maybe just touch it. This is the 30 seconds. So it looks like it hit that, bounced it, hit it, bounced down. It could go through it this time. Let's look at it in 10 seconds, see what it looks like it's going to do. It's hard to know. That's pretty high level up there. It got up there once, then it shot way back down here. It's going to go back down to this white line. It just don't know. I don't know what it's going to do when it hits that level. I'm going to watch it though and see. It hit this level a couple different times. It kind of stopped there. It's at a level right now, see? Yeah. See, it hit that level a couple times, went down, hit that level a couple times, went down. If it hits this level again, I'm not sure it won't break it because it's trying to. It's trying to break it. So I'm just going to wait. I don't really feel Yeah, it's kind of hitting, push down, hit 3 times again here, push down. It's making like lower lows. It's in sort of a weird spot here in the 1 minute and then the 10 minute. The 10 minute won't matter here. You know, it went all the way down, bounced around down here, and then it's heading back up. Like, I think it wants to go back up in the 10 minute, but doesn't mean anything here because it really did bounce between this level pretty hard. It set up higher levels up here. In other words, that level is actually a level of interest. It could be going for that level again. You know, if it breaks through this level here, then we can guess that it might actually just shove right through and just go for it. You know, if it goes, but it could break through real fast and then pop out of there. So let's watch it in 10. If I really think about this trade, it would have to break through that, and it would have to just crank. See how it's got pressure down? Yeah, that's dangerous right there. Now it's broken that level a little bit, and then just totally rejected down. That would have been a good put, but I didn't know for sure if that was just going to go tanking up there. Now it's creating some back and forth, like really fast back and forth motion now. See, it's wanting to break it again. It's like it's pushed down. It's wanting to break it again. This could be its breakout right here. And it could slam down again. It's gonna have to reach up from there. See how it's fighting, and then it's like it's really fighting. But it is above. It did get above that time. There it goes. They're pushed back down. I mean, it could slam down here at any time. Yeah. All right, I'm going to take this one. That's actually a pretty good thought, because I think it's trying to go above that level. It slammed down there for a minute. For a couple seconds. There, look at that. Look at that pullback. Okay, so if it holds up here, if it doesn't decide to go back down, there it goes. It's holding up a little bit. Oh, it's going to bounce back down. It's got a strong bounce. 6, 5. This could go either way right now. I think it's going to go my way. Yes, it does go my way today. Yes. Compounded trade. Yes. And there it goes. There it finally goes. It's going. Finally breaks above like it's gonna go. But this is still volatile, so I'm just gonna take that excitement and just let that be. I'm gonna let that be. All right, so it hit that line one time. I kind of missed it when it hit it the first time. Now it's breaking. So it broke through Man, that really broke through right there. And I was on a chat call, so that was not, wow. I'm not going to hit any more of this. It's a breakthrough. It hit that time and broke through. So I'm not going to do anything else on that. I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait right here. Wait and see. That was a loss. Wow. If I would have hit it that first time, I still think it might have lost. It pulled back just for a little bit. Not a lot. It didn't pull back. Yeah, no, it didn't pull back hardly at all. I'm going to just wait and let's see what happens with that. That could go forever because it broke that twice. It wanted to break it twice. Let's look at it in 10. Yeah, it's trying to break above that twice. I mean, my gut feeling is that it's going to go back down from here. I'm going to go ahead and take it. We'll try to maybe get that one back. We'll just see if it goes back down because it was overspent and it's tanking back down. So that might be a good recovery trade, basically. If it wins, it's kind of a long one. And it's going back down. So I think I'm just going to call this a recovery trade if it wins. And because we lost one right here. It was coming down. We got 26 seconds. I was going to think that, maybe it is going to go back down. But I don't know. It broke that line. It's testing that line and it's coming back up 18 seconds. Let's see what happens. Oh man. I hope it breaks down again here. We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It's not. It's got up pressure. That's going to be another loss. I don't know. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, it's going to be another loss. See, it broke above there and it just triggered. I'm out of here, folks. I'm out of that trade. I'm still in the money a little bit, but not as much as I wanted to be. So now I got to get focused and see what I think is going to happen here. Let's see. That's 10 seconds. That's 10 seconds. One. This one keeps going above. It kind of, yeah, that one. I'll go back here and I'm going to go back here and look because it's really, really high. But the problem is this is out of bounds now. In other words, it's out of about here. I lost one there. I lost one here by pushing. And it's kind of frustrating that I did that because, I kind of have to learn your lesson. Like if it breaks out and goes way, way beyond where, you think it's going to go and it doesn't do what you think it's going to do, then just let it be what it is. And the charts are moving kind of fast today. Not like jumping, but they're making their patterns fast. Like that one hit that bottom. I could have made a decision down here, and as I'm thinking about it, then it's just up and out of the way. It's and now I'm not sure what it's going to do. Because it went down, went a little bit lower, like it wants to touch. It bounced off. Yeah, I mean that my gut feeling is it's going to go back up, but I'm nervous that it might go back here. There. I'm going to take that one just because of the way it is, the way that things are happening right now. My gut feeling has been kind of right. My gut feelings have been right a little bit, and I've been kind of waiting on them, just sort of holding my gut feelings down. So if this turns around and actually starts going back up, so if this actually wins in the 1 minute, then it's possible that I could take my compound here. If it goes above this, I might do it. If it actually goes above it. But see, it's going to have to get above this line right here. And it's going to have to go for it. There he goes, without pullback. That's a little bit of pullback. That scares me. There you go. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There to that. The bottom trade is a win. That's good. Let's see what that is at 11:03. So let's do our math here real quick. 11:03. We're at a 1.5% gain. Is that right? 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. let's take this one more trade at 18. So, I mean, I won that trade, but that just puts me in the money. I don't want to. So I'm up by, where's my, I'm up by about $28. So I'm not going to take a full trade. I'm not going to take a full, wow, look at this trade. This chart never came home. It just kept going. Look at that. It just hit that bottom. It's just going high. And it's, you never know what it's going to do when it gets up there. So I don't know. But what do we have? Some trendies here. We have some trendies. Yeah, this one did. This one kind of broke above, way above where I thought. It broke above there. It's still in the breakthrough. It's like, when is it going to drop? Probably, I mean, maybe never, because it looks like it's going to drop here, but I don't know. I don't think it's going to drop there. It kind of tried to go back down there. I'm going to go ahead and take this. I think this is a pushing chart. This is a trending chart. That's a pretty decent position if it's going to keep going up. So it broke this line right here. Yeah, good. We got 1 minute on this because I think this chart's going to take a little time. It broke this line right here. It stayed inside this little symbol here, and it broke above. So hopefully, because this chart has been trending really high, hopefully it doesn't come back down. Hopefully it does what I think it's going to do. Hopefully it goes what I think it's going to do, like in my old trading, is it's going to keep going from here. But it could be that it tricks me. I think it's fine. It's thinking about doing what I want it to do. It's on that line. It's 8 seconds. What is it doing on that? It's 8 seconds. 3. Oh, that's a loss. All right, still in the money. Still in the money. It's still thinking about doing what it's going to do. I'm not going to do any more right here. Well, because it broke above that line, it got up there, Let's see here. All right, I'm going to take one more. And it's kind of probably in and out of the money here. Kind of went up. What I think it did here, if I'm right, it wound up, It is uptrending, but it stopped. It wound up. Now it's pushing back down. So if I lose this one, then I'm definitely not guessing these charts right. And then I'll be out of the money by about $7 or $8. If I win this, I'll be back into the money by like 2%. So 28. Okay. That's what I thought. It wound up here. It kind of got stuck. It wound up high. And it goes, if it takes another dive from this down through here, I'm going to take a 30-second put. Because that's pretty strong. That's pretty strong down. Like it wound up. Oh, that's okay. 10. There it goes. It's wanting to go back up. I've got a line. I've got a strong line here though. There we go. That's going to be a win. It's going to be a win. If it pops this bottom, then I'm going to take it. There. It popped the bottom. Let's see if it can hold it. That was gutsy. But let's see if it holds it. It popped that bottom, and I've had a lot of wins right here where it kind of just it goes for it. So let's see if it's going to hold it. That was gutsy because in the 30-second, well, still it was going down. It could do it here. That was gutsy, way gutsy. But because it hit that bottom so hard, I thought it was going for it. All right, so that's a loss. Let's just hold on. 1084. Where are we at? So in terms of our profit, we're at 0.5% right now. We're up $9. That's not bad. Not great because I was doing better than that. Let's do another trade here and see what happens. Just kind of weird, To me, it's not like these charts are doing anything really super special, that they're doing stuff. They're obeying some lines, but then they're just shooting around. So I may just wait for a while. That one shot down. It's hard for me to tell, like on this one, where's really the bottom to me? I mean, I don't really know. Is that the bottom? Is it going down to there, or is it done going down? The 10 minutes haven't been giving me a lot of clues because the charts are jumping around a lot. They are following some sort of pattern here. Get rid of these. I think this was from a different session. See those big old 30-second candles. See this one I lost a couple because I thought it was turning around. If I was smart on this one, I would probably just wait till it jumped up a little bit and take a couple minute put, because this one looks like it's about to relieve. And it really did go way up there. But I mean, the problem is with this history, this has got a lot of room to go to the high side. And this chart right here is kind of insane. I'm going to take that one. Let's see if that happens. Is it upper pressure like trash pressure, or is it just like the biggest 30-second candle you've ever seen that's definitely going to return back to its thing? So I took a minute off this. That was a pretty big RSI touch. But then again, it did that before. It kind of hit here. It hit here, had some RSI touches there that just didn't pan out. Today's been a little bit back and forth, to be honest. I mean, it's, not that I'm doing terrible, but I guess it just feels like my gut feelings have been right. So in this pattern, I'm not really sure what it's trying to do. It does feel like it is trying to go up. Yeah, but I knew that from earlier on. I thought that it was going to go up. Let's watch this and let's watch this play out. Hopefully it stays down for there. There we go. So we're at 1101, which is actually some profit. If we put in here 1101, 1101, 1101. All right. So we're up $26, 1.43%. Let's see if we can get one more win. I'm going to take a 3-minute here because this chart has been just going up, going up, going up, going up. If you look at it in 10 seconds, I mean, it could go either way in that. But if you look at it in 10 minutes, it's been going up and up and up and up and up. It's been breaking levels every time. And I mean, it's going for an RSI touch in the 3-minute. Let's see if it looks like it's about to an RSI touch in the 3-minute. So at some point up here, it could have a turnaround. And I hope it's not now, because it's been kind of pushing up this whole time. In the 1 minute, it looks like it, could go either way. I mean, so we're just going to see what happens on this. We will still be in profit if this loses, and maybe that's all the profit we're getting today. If this loses, we're at 10.83. We're up $8. We're up about 0.5%. But I think this will win because of its upper pressure. It's got upper pressure unless it makes it all the way up to that level. So that's a 3-minute. This is a 3-minute candle up here. This is in the 3 minutes. It looks like it's going for an RSI touch. It looks like it's going up to that level. That's where it would want to go. And so I actually think this is going to get a win. And if I took another one here, another longer trade here, it probably would get a win. It's probably going to go up to here. But if it goes up to here, and I might take like a 3-minute put if it hits that line. Because if it hits that line, it's going to be, if it hits that line up there, I mean, it's going to have to hit that line hard. And I'm not going to take a compound. I'm going to take a regular one. Just be careful. Just take it. Just be careful. It's a breakthrough though. It's a 1-minute breakthrough. That scares me. Yeah, this is such a heavy uptrend. I'm afraid to take it. I'm afraid to do it because I've got multiple signals here in my mind. I've got an RSI touch on the top. I think it's going up. It really did do what I thought it was going to do. I still think I could win this in a minute. unless it just tanks. But in the 3 minute, when I'm looking at 3 minutes, that's an RSI touch. Not quite an RSI touch, see? But it's a strong level back there. So I'm just going to pause here. I'm glad I didn't take another trade because it looks like it's going out. So 37 seconds still. The problem is this line up here is really strong. That could be the level of like death, basically. It's reaching for that, but it already touched it. See? It reached it, already touched it. So I hope that it just farts around right here and it goes back up in this next 15 seconds. Watch it in 10 seconds. See if we can get this to win. It's in 10 seconds. It needs to go back up from here. 9 seconds. That's just frustrating. Really frustrating. Because I was right about the top. I was right about the bottom. It just took too long. I was right about the top. I was right about the bottom. It just took too long. Timing. Today is timing. I mean, and right now I don't know that it is going to go back up there. That's a pretty strong level right there. I think it's going to turn around. It's been doing this in the 30 second. The computer's kind of taking forever to reload. Yeah, it went right up there. It touched. It bounced back down. I mean, it might go back up there. It's kind of slow. But it's got a lot of up pressure, this chart does. And it had a RSI, it had a 1 minute kind of breakthrough in the RSI, but now it doesn't want to get back up there. It makes me nervous to try to think about going on the upside because the 10 second, let's just not be. So it was going up, now it's going down. It was going higher. No, that wasn't higher, that was higher. It's kind of jagged, it's like it couldn't really tell me either way. This could shoot either direction at any minute in my opinion, because of that high level in the 3 minute. It was going there for a while. It's going up for a while. Look at all those lines in the 10 minute, but it reached a level. Not that it doesn't want to go up above that level, but it's not like it's been just killing it. It's not like it's been killing that level. I'll just let that rest for a little bit and we'll go back over here to the 1 minute and just try to find something that looks decent. There we go. We're going to take that one and see what happens. This will put us in the money a little more. I mean, we already were in the money. If that bounces off that green thing again, then we're good. If this is a really strong level where it really doesn't want to go, it went a little further down below. Have this one, and I think if I win this one, this will be it today. I'll have to be it. Come on, baby. There we go. 5 seconds. There we go. Come on. Hold it up, baby. Hold it up. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take this as a 1099. I'm going to take this as a clue. So this is stuck. So, I mean, anything down here is a guess. If it breaks above there, it's stuck there for now. I mean, it hasn't really gone back. It could totally return. See how it's pushing and holding? There, see how it's draw back? Pushing and holding, draw back. Okay, let's do one more. I mean, why? I don't know. Why? Because I have to have some sort of profit. 1081. Okay, watch this trade. This will be 1081, so I'm up 0.33%. If this one wins, 14 seconds. It kind of popped off that line. Let's go down. Not up. Hold it down. No. Hold it down. Yeah, that was so tight. Oh my goodness, that was tight. And now it's going back up and look at that. It wants to do both things. And then we're at 1116. All right, let's type that in and see where we're at. Oh man, 2.25%. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it up 2.25%. We're at 1,116. Which our overall is 1859, so our overall is 77%. So we're climbing there. We're climbing there a little bit at a time. I have a Zoom meeting to go to today, so I just need to do it, and I just need to not. See, look at that. Boom, it finally did it. It finally did it. It's going high. It's going high. So I'm going to leave this alone at $1. Put it at $1 and just let it be, because I mean these charts are jumping all over, and I'm just gonna have to take my 2.25% gain today, which is started at 1075. We're at 1116. You know, that's good. That's good. So we gained up on that chart on that actually we gained up $41. Yeah, that's not bad. It's not bad. That's not bad. I mean, we could keep going, and we might next week. Next week, I might do a little makeup trading or just try to get myself up a little bit. Right now, if I take my full day's risk of 185 and I add in what I've won, I have 226 to risk. But that's risky. It gets risky. So I think I'm just going to stick with the easy 2.25% and just kind of keep climbing up. That was hard to get, so I think I just stick with it and let it be what it was. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.